Hey, it's Tom again, and I wanted to show you something about this little red radio, AM radio. I mentioned in the previous video that on the side was the earphone jack and then another jack. And so I opened up the radio to take the battery out, and I noticed some very unique configuration here. Let me get the battery up there out of the way and see if I can get the lighting right, and then I'll see if I can zoom in correctly, get the focus correct. That's about it. Can zoom in a little more. So there is the connection, or there is the port right there, and then on the inside there is like a little pin. And when I take my pencil, like it was a antenna plug, and I push on that, it goes in. So I'm assuming what it does, and I didn't show that very well. Let's see if I can get behind it. Well, I can't do it anyway. What I'm assuming that's doing is connecting an external antenna and disconnecting the internal antenna. So I see if I can trace the wires. No. They go down to the board, bottom of the board someplace. Goes down here someplace to the circuit board. And it may come up here to where this is. I'm not going to experiment with it because that may not be what it's for. If I look closely, and I'll get my headset magnifying glass so I can see it at least. You won't be able to see it on the camera. And see what it says. Oh, it says EXTP. That must be for external power. It says it right there. I probably can't get the focus or the light right. So that's probably for an external power source. That's different. I've never seen that on a radio like this. Anyway, I wanted to show it to you. So that's probably what it's doing, is disconnecting the battery. Where the heck am I? Probably disconnecting this battery, or at least the battery connector. I am not going to experiment with it, because this is Jeff's radio, not mine. Don't want to take any risk of damaging anything. Just thought I'd show you that. And maybe one of you know what this is all about. It does say ext.p. on the case, on that connector. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.